Hello, my name is Daniel Gonzalez Montemayor and welcome to my video. Today we're going to learn something about bass. From the basses, how to play it, how does it play, what is the importance of the bass, and I'm going to show you a little exercises that can help you to become a better bassist or maybe to start playing the bass. First of all, I'm going to tell you some things about the bass. It's a very important instrument in a band because alongside with the battery are the ones that take the rhythm of a song. What do I mean? I mean that these are the ones that take the beat of a song. First of all you need is a bass, obviously. You need maybe an amplifier and a cable to plug it to the amplifier. These are not cheap, but if you already have a bass, you can easily learn how to play it with this simple exercise. The first exercise I'm going to show you is very good in order to improve the way you play the notes. But before starting, I'm going to show you how is bass played. We basically play bass with these two fingers, your index finger and your middle finger. These are the ones that are going to play the strings and the notes. They are going to be played like this, alternating one and another. This is done with every single string, one of the 4 strings. So our first exercise is going to be just that, just making 8 repetitions in each string. This will help us to make these 2 fingers more useful, okay? So, when we already have the first exercises, we're going to start playing notes with your left hand or maybe your right hand in case you are left-handed. We're going to start playing one fret by fret. Well, these are called frets. Every single one of these brown squares are called frets. So we're going to start in the first fret playing one note. Just like that. We're going to play every single one of these notes and being very careful of playing one finger and one finger in here. So it's like index finger, index finger, middle finger. Okay? Once we have done this, we are going to return. How are we going to do this? Starting with our little finger. Okay? And then we're going to move on. Just like that, and then return, just the same. And we're going to do that with every single one of the first until we reach the 9th fret, okay? So this exercise will take us more or less 5 minutes, and every time we're going to try to do it faster in order to increase our ability with our fingers, whether the left hand or the right hand, okay? This exercise is the most important of them all because it helps us to make our 4 fingers stronger and our 2 fingers in the right hand stronger. Okay, so this is the exercise that we're going to play the most. Next, we're going to do some exercise called scales. The scales help us to play almost any kind of song. There are different kinds of scales, but today we are only going to learn one. This one is called the pentatonic scale, and this is what we are going to do. With our first finger we are going to play the 3rd fret, then the 6th fret, then the 3rd fret in our 2nd string, 1, 2, 3, then in our 3rd string we're going to play 1, 3, and in our last one, 1, 3, and we're going to return. Okay, this is the first scale we're going to learn, and just as the other one, we're going to play it every time faster. Okay, once we have defined all these exercises, in this first video we're going to learn a very simple song. A song that has been heard many times and that is maybe one of the most famous bass lines. That is called 7 Nation Army by the White Stripes, but that has been used in many other ways. And it goes like this. We're going to put our first finger in our 7th fret in the 2nd string. we're going to play it twice. Then our fourth finger is going to play our 10th fret. We're going to return to the 7th. Okay. Then we're going to go back to the 5th fret in the same string. And we're going to go even higher to the 3rd and then the 2nd. So in the end it's going to sound something like this. Okay, it's very simple. And the line repeats once again, once again, once again. It's like 7 times. And when we hit the chorus, it's very simple. We just play in our 3rd fret in the 1st string, 8. We play 8 times. Then in our 5th fret, once again 8 times. And we repeat the verse. And here is a little change. We play 3rd, 5th, 3rd, 2nd. So it goes like this. And that's all. The song repeats once again and once again. I think it's 2 times. And you have the song complete. So it's very easy to play. But well, our time's up. I really hope you learned something about bass in this little video. I think it could be very useful if you are a beginner. And if you want more videos or maybe playing a different song, you can let me know. Thank you so much. Goodbye.